Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to SK Academy of Mathematics. Today we are going to learn how to solve the problem on Regula-Falsi method. Considering the given equation with respect to four decimal values, they have only given the root lies between 1.4 and 1.5. This is the one of the important question which was asked in the previous video main examination question. Let us solve step by step. First, solution given. Okay, represent the equation. Always equation should be equal to 0. Then after representing the equation is equal to 0, then define f of x. F of x equal to x cube minus x square minus 1. Since they have only given the roots lies between 1.4 and 1.5, substitute those values. 1.4 f of 1.4, which is equal to 1.4 whole cube minus 1.4 whole square minus 1, and x equal to 1.5 f of 1.5, which is equal to 1.5 whole cube minus 1.5 whole square minus 1. Now using the calculator, let us represent the solution. How? It is very easy. Okay, to represent the solution, consider a calculator, press alpha x cube. Since we have cube, press shift cube. Next we have minus alpha x square minus 1. Then press calc, give the value 1.4, you get the value, shift eng minus 0.216. Got the point? Minus 0.216, you get minus 0.216. Similarly, press calc, give 1.5, press calc 1.5, you get 0.125. Done. Now therefore the roots lies in between 1.4 comma 1.5. Done. Now consider a, which is equal to 1.4. For f of a we have f of a minus 0.216 and b equal to 1.5, and f of b, which is equal to, if I substitute in place of 1.5, I am going to get 0.125. Now since for 1.4 you have got negative, it will be less than 0. For positive, it will be greater than 0. Now I can represent a as negative term and b as positive term. Got the point? Why I am going to represent this? To simplify the condition. Got the point? Now by using Regula-Falsi method, or else Regula-Falsi method, formula is given by x equal to a into f of b minus b into f of a whole divided by f of b minus f of a. This is the standard formula for the Regula-Falsi method. Considering this formula itself, we are going to represent the approximate value of the given equation. For that, first represent the tabular column. To represent that, let us represent the iteration first. Column first will be iteration box. Next we have a, next we have f of a, next we have b, next represent f of b, then x equal to a into f of b minus b into f of a whole divided by f of b minus f of a, and the function value f of x, which is equal to x cube minus x square minus 1. Done. Now let us simplify term by term. First let us represent first approximation. A is 1.4 and f of a we have minus 0.216. B we have 1.5 and f of b we have 0.125. Using the calculator, let us represent the value of x. To represent the value of x, I am going to represent f of b as y and I am going to represent f of a as x. That is a x equal to a into y minus b into x divided by y minus x. I am going to represent the solution. After finding the roots of the equation, just don't press anything, press AC. Numerator, denominator, alpha A, alpha y minus alpha b, alpha x divided by alpha y minus alpha x. Got the point? After representing this, press calc. Give the value of a. A value is 1.4. Value of y 0.125. Value of b 1.5. Value of x minus 0.216. Press equals. You get 1.4633. You get 1.4633. Done. After representing, okay, we are supposed to represent the function value. To represent the function value, press just upper button. You get function value. Now here press calc, give the value of x 1.4633. Press equals. If you get minus, press shift eng twice. Shift eng, shift eng. You get minus 0.0079. You get minus 0.0079. Now since we have got negative, this will be replaced in the negative part. Which is negative? A is negative and B is positive. Now in place of 1.4 in the second iteration, 1.4633. Now in place of f of a, I am going to substitute 0.0079 and 1.5 and 0.125 remains constant. I am going to show you this approximation value by using the calculator also. How? It is easy. Okay, done. Take, see, again press upper button, you get this, press calc, give the value of a 1.463 equals minus, no, not minus, only get 0.125 value of y, and b 1.5, and value of x you get minus 0.0079. This equals, get 1.4651. You get 1.4651. Again press upper button, you get the function value, press calc 1.4651. Press equals, shift eng, shift eng. You get minus 0.0016. Since we have got negative, replace this in the value of a, that is 1.46. Okay, this is 33. Okay, let us verify since I did not write one. Okay, calc a. Okay, press. Okay, if you miss one decimal value also, it will be wrong. Okay, give again 1.4633 equals value of y 0.125 equals b 1.5 and x minus 0.0079. If you miss one decimal also, it will be little bit change. Okay, you get 4 and this you get the function value, and the function value, press calc minus 0.0016. If you miss one decimal value also, it will be totally completely wrong. 1.4654. Shift eng, shift eng. You get 3006. Got the point? Now see, since we have got minus sign, it will be replaced with respect to 4654. Now minus 0.0006. Now 1.5 and 0.125 remains constant. Now replace in the value of x, that is calc a is 1.4654. Next y 0.125 125, press equals b 1.5 equals x, you have minus 0.006. You get 1.4655, and if you press calc function for the function value 1.4655, you get shift eng, shift eng. You get minus 0.0002. Okay, now since I have got negative, replace in the negative place. 1.4655 and minus 0.0002, 1.5 and 0.125. Again use the calculator, represent the solution, press calc, value of a 1.4655 equals y, 0.125 equals 1.5 x minus 0.0002. Okay, you get 1.4655. Done. Now again if you simplify, again you get minus 0.0002. See, the last fourth iteration and the third iteration, you have got the exact value. Or that is, we call it as approximate value, the iteration. If only for the four iteration only you have got the values and represented the solution. Therefore, thus the real root of the equation, thus the real root of the equation is 1.4655. You can directly conclude and represent the solution. This is how you are supposed to represent the solution step by step, by considering the given function, defining the values of interval between 1.4 and 1.5, represent a, b, substitute the table, give the iteration a, f of a, b, f of b and x, and f of x. A as negative and b as positive, a of f of a as x, f of b as y, while using the simplification in the calculator. If you miss one decimal value also, please don't miss any decimal value. If you miss one decimal value also, if the whole problem will be wrong. So that please be careful while simplifying each and every iteration and every method. But the point, if you repeat the condition, if you get negative sign, replace negative value. If you get negative value, or if you get positive, replace in the positive term. Simplify, you get two approximate value in the exact, in the at least in 4 or 5 iteration, and represent the solution. I hope you have understood each and every step of Regula-Falsi method. For more videos, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.